Yo, what's up, guys?
It's your boy.
Now, tonight, we're actually gonna be rolling to a car meet. This was last minute, bro. I was, debating if I should go or not, but I'm trying to get that content for you guys. So we're gonna be heading to SoCal Bangers. It's actually in Irvine. It's a little 15-minute drive, so it's not too bad. And I didn't really have to clean the car because when Wax Bros did that freaking detail for me, there has been literally no dust getting on the car, bro. Like, they fucking did some magic, bro. It's so crazy. Like, it still looks like if they had barely done that detail. So I'm just gonna go ahead out right now, and I'll let you guys know once I get there. Alrighty, guys, we just got here right now, and it's not too packed right now, so I'm gonna just give it a little bit more time, but I'm gonna go check out what's out there. Alright, guys, so we got a Mero pulling up right now. I think this one's cammed. Man, bro, this is sponsored by Best Buy right here, bro. This thing is hella sick, man. Yeah, down right here. Got the snake skin right here. Sheesh. Eco Snoop. We got some ESRs. Damn. Yeah, bro, this thing is freaking fire. We got the Troquita crew right here. Sheesh. This thing right here is clean, though. Look at that. My homie actually had one of these, bro, and he has a freaking a 1J on it. Now we got an Evo. Can't drive. Yeah. Back then I wanted an Evo, bro. That was my first dream car. But we got the Batmobile heading out right now. Just like the one that we got from home. I think this was at the Origins one, I believe. But sheesh, we got an AMG right here. This thing is crazy, bro. I've never seen this one. Big old APR performance wing. Man, that sounds hella nice as well, bro. Damn, we got a GT500 right there. I've seen videos on that one. That thing spits hella flames. Genesis. Yeah, the whole Mustang boys pulled up right now. Actually, I'm gonna go kick it over here just so I can get rolling, because we already know it gets crazy over here. Yo, they got the rubber ducky on top. That's so sick. Hey, damn, bro. We got people heading out already. Mustang and Camaro. Let's see what we got right here. We got a Kia pulling in.
Ryan, get this.
Hey! Oh, shit. This was active. Oh, God, bro. Let's see what we got. Oh, better, my fucking voice cracked all clean. Sheesh, we got the best of show right there, bro. Damn, guys. Gotta hit up these guys. They buy junk cars, bro. I wonder how much they'll offer, man. We got the FRS with a big old wing heading out already. Man, this thing is clean. Oh, okay. Already, what the hell? Oh, gotta get run over out here. Ooh, look at the Z36. X, where you at, bro? Should've pulled up, man. Got a G-Wagon out here. Jeez. I think I remember seeing this one at Origins, and I was like, static, boy. Yeah, the wheels go hard, bro. This one's really clean. I think it was going crazy. Mini Cooper, bro. Oh no. This location's gonna be chalked. Oh, yeah, getting hella active now, bro. Oh, bro. Oh, shit. God. My fucking ears. Oh. big boy right here, bro. Woo. This thing sounds fucking crazy, man. Mini Coopers don't play, man. We got both of the Mustangs heading out already. We'll see if they can spit those big old flames right now. We got the GT500, bro. I've seen this one spit crazy ones right now. Hold on, boys. Fucking dolphin. Look at the homie running, bro. I don't think they're gonna do it again, but oh, running. God damn. Damn, that thing was crazy, guys. Check this out, guys. Drive by. Can hear them like fucking 5 miles away, dude. That shit was crazy. Man, we got the freaking AMG heading out already. That thing is so fucking fire. Yeah, everyone's freaking active already. I'm gonna just go ahead and head out already, guys. So I'll let you guys know once I get home. They want to hear mine, but my shit don't sound crazy. It don't sound crazy, bro. Alright guys, I just got home right now, and honestly I'm freaking glad that I stayed super late, because I would have never got the freaking footage of those fools spitting crazy ass flames. But as always, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe, baby. Woo!